Hi everyone. I'm Isabella, created by Woo Curtains and Blinds. Today, I am gonna to show you how to shop your custom roller blinds online at our online shop. Let's visit our online store website, onlinecurtainstore.co.nz. Click on Roller Blinds. Select the type of roller blinds you want: blockout, sunscreen, light filter or dual roller blinds. Let's use blockout as an example. Here show blockout fabric collections. Choose the Lines Q blockout fabric collection. Enter your room name, which is optional. In this example, we will use bedroom. Input your measurements. You can check the how to measure roller blinds to get right measurement. In this example, we will use a width of 1000 mm and a height of 1000 mm. If roller width is over 2400 mm, delivery area will show Metro, Rural. This will add extra delivery fee. Or you can pick up at Auckland. Choose the color you like. And make it larger by clicking the main image. Select the fitting options, inside mount or outside mount. If inside mount, normally choose front rolling. If outside mount, normally choose back rolling to reduce the light gap. Choose the control side, either left hand or right hand. Select the chain color and note that stainless steel chain will add $7 to your order. Choose the bracket color, bottom rail color, and bottom shape. Add the roller blind to your cart. If the Add to Cart button is not working, check if any options were left unselected. You can click Continue Shopping. Repeat the step we have done to add all other custom roller blinds to the cart. The final price, including tax, will be determined by the options you choose. After adding all custom roller blinds, you can click Checkout to finish your payment. That's it. For more information, please email us at service@onlinecurtainstore.co.nz. Thank you for watching.